But it's a really grace for all the Seattleites to have a Prabhu like that, after such a cadre and as well as a caliber and as well as a devotion. And because of that only we are able to have actually second Sri Vaishnava temple over here, VCC Vedic Cultural Center, and as well as his Balaji temple also. And as Prabhu last time said that he has 3 more in line. Okay? So we have to support him, we have to support entire crew now for making this happen for all of us. Selfless service, selfless desire, selfless devotion. I think we have so much to learn from Prabhu, setting aside our priorities and as well as egos too. So Prabhu, we can learn from so much from you, and we thank you very much for your continuous leadership. We look forward to your leadership also. And with all the priests, and they're happy to serve here and do the service and the opening ceremony of Sri Balaji and Lakshmi Devi and Goda Devi. And we would like to just a token of thank you on behalf of all the Bhagavatas. Okay? Om Rajadi Rajaya Pradaya. Bhavati Shadamiti Shadam Dirgamayu Agneya Saspanyas Semamatyendramapachiti Mavaha Ayam Murtha Paramestis Vacha Samanana Mattavaslokostu Ayuddha Gnejana Mattapratino Gudavindi Vidambitva Vasajar Gavyambine Bhavatramadranchada Shatamanam Bhavati Shadayam Purashadendriya Ayushevendriye Pratibhiti Haranda Uttaman Vepare Nandena Bhavika Satri Narinan Engendana Tingal Mumbai Vede Om Kudari Chandra Om Kudari Podel Kodavanda Kannadappa Engade Kodavanda Kannadal Karampakal Nikada Salvam Virante
Dito nga lang line solo